Hi guys. Oh, that Kabulane no poster. I hope you missed me. Did you miss me? Anyway, I came across something very, very interesting. That Ramaphosa might have to get a Minister of Finance outside his organization, like outside ANC. And I found that very interesting. I think I also came across something that says Uguti, Nelson Mandela once did it. Just before I post it for you guys, let me just quickly ask you to do something for me. Just before we get into the Minister of Finance, can you guys quickly go follow me on Facebook? But now you click follow. You see we've got 4.8 followers. I need to get to 10K. Can I ask you guys to quickly run to my profile on Facebook and give me a follow? Let's get this account to 10K, please. So I came across this article. And this article is saying, Mr. Ramaphosa must follow in Nelson Mandela's footsteps and look beyond his party for a secretary for finance minister, president secretary general. Someone said, so it's hard to see any competent candidates in the top of the ANC. Anybody who at their very least could be an improvement on Godongwane. So I found this so interesting because I was thinking, if we're to get a finance minister, firstly, which organization would give us a good finance minister? And I'm not gonna suggest, because I know if I suggest, you guys are gonna say, hey, you are biased, hey. So I'm gonna keep quiet. I want you guys to suggest for me in the comment section if we were to get a secretary general, a finance minister, if we were to get a finance minister for our country right now, who's going to replace Godongwane, who would it be? And from which organization? It doesn't have to be one person. If you know two people that you think, okay, we can get this person or this person, who do you think would best replace Godongwane? I have someone in mind, but I know if I were to mention that person, you guys will go crazy. If I mention the person I have in mind, you are all gonna go crazy and you are gonna call me biased. So I will reserve my judgments or my observation. Let's hear, who do you think would be a great Minister of Finance, like to replace Godongwane?